Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Time. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. Let's go. Today I will be showing you this squeeze toy vending machine that I made, and it obviously lets out squeeze toys, as you can see right there. This is step 1 to turn. Step 2 is the prize. Okay, I think we should demonstrate it now. So step 1, hang on, let me get a bit of it. Easily turn it till you get one down the bottom here. Open it up and you have, which one do we have? We have this cute smiley face one. You can squeeze it, so fun. And then afterwards I just like to turn it back and line it up with this line right here. Okay, I think I should take you for a journey inside the vending machine. How about that? Okay, first we'll go to the top. A lot of tape here at the top. So we'll take this out. That's fine. Lift that up. Oh, okay. The top is where we restock. 4 are allowed in here at the time. Probably could fit in more, but like you'd get 2 at a time. Let's put this in. Let's close it up again. Put some tape there. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this around to see back, and I don't know what has happened here. Okay, when I was restocking, push that in, and now you'll do this after. Okay, so you undo this tape. Of course, this tape's to here, but of course you'll have to undo it. So just let it undone. Ooh, they're all gonna fall out. Let's just make them fall out. And here they all go. Oh, hang on, I forgot why. Some tape down here, just to hold it together. I'm gonna open this up. Sorry about the very bad videoing. It was very early in the morning. That is interesting. And they've all fallen off the shelves. Okay, that's good. Let's get these out of the way. Sorry, I'm not in my usual setting. I was not bothered to do that today. So here is the. Okay, that is not very well presented. I'm sorry, guys. But anyway, here is the inside. We have the little shelving they sit on, just like this, just like that, and they fall, and they knock out my turning thing. Okay, a little thing to stop them from going into here. The prize deposit, it's very simple, just 1, 2, 4 things, and then a conveyor belt that will be sticking in. So I'm going to count that as 2, and 3 the little wall, and 7 the whole thing. Oh, there's one over here. Say hi! It's like a smiley thing. Okay, maybe I can show you the. And here is what holds the squishy. It's basically just the end of a plastic bottle. You can tell at the end there. The knob. It's pretty simple, and I just have cut a hole in it so they can fit in just like that. And then when you turn it, it obviously drops. At any rate, I will I'll be making a tutorial on of these squishies if you'd like me to. Please leave it in the comments and I'll do a video on these. Okay, and let's just move everything aside. Okay, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thank you.